guys, how you do? Welcome to Mr. Marshall tutorials. This is combined science, and today we want to talk about what you call redox reaction. We want to talk about redox reaction. So allow me to illustrate something about redox reaction. This is a redox reaction. What is a redox reaction? Redox reaction is a reaction where oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously, and the word simultaneously there, it means at the same time. It means at the same time. A reaction where there is oxidation and where there is also reduction, but these two reactions, they are taking place at the same time. That is redox reaction, a reaction whereby oxidation and reduction occurs at the same time or occurs simultaneously. That is redox reaction. Why this word is called redox? Because it contains both reduction and oxidation. Right, let me illustrate this. If we break this word into two, at this side we left with red, which represent a reduction, and this one we left with the ox, which represent oxidation. That's why redox reaction is a reaction whereby oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously or at the same time. All right, so let me explain what the term oxidation means. The term oxidation, it means the addition of oxygen, or we can define oxidation as the removal of hydrogen. This is the addition of oxygen or the removal of hydrogen, right? Why are we saying oxidation is the addition of oxygen? And I want to illustrate how addition of oxygen occurs. For example, we have the equation like this. We have carbon dioxide. When we add oxygen to carbon dioxide, when we add oxygen to carbon dioxide, which is C plus O2, when we add, this is carbon dioxide, then plus oxygen. When we add oxygen to any element, to any atom, that reaction that is taking place is called oxidation. Why? Because there is an addition of oxygen. There is an addition of what? Of oxygen. That is oxidation. Then we left with what? CO2, like this, which is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a product of oxidation, which means there is an addition of oxygen to what? To carbon. There is an addition of oxygen to carbon, so that we form carbon dioxide, which is CO2. Okay, right. Here are examples of oxidation reactions. For example, there is carbon plus oxygen, for example, then there is sulfur plus oxygen, we get sulfur dioxide. Then magnesium plus oxygen, we get magnesium oxide. These are examples of what you call oxidation, right? Let's go and talk about what you call a reduction. What you call reduction? Reduction is just the removal of oxygen, but oxidation is the addition of oxygen, but the reduction is the removal of oxygen. Is the removal of oxygen, is the removal of oxygen. Or we can define a reduction as the addition of hydrogen, but oxidation as the removal of hydrogen, but this one, reduction, is the addition of hydrogen. So here are the examples of what you call reduction reaction. Right, there is magnesium oxide, which means there is magnesium with oxygen, magnesium with oxygen plus carbon, then we get magnesium. Kula tatobvisa pa magnesium tabvisa oxide ndokubva yaenda kuyava carbon dioxide. So zvatiri kutaura in other words tiri kuti pano pa magnesium oxide there is magnesium, there is Mg ne O2, right? Then patasanganisa ne carbon become the reducing agent. Kula ndo yano reducer oxygen from magnesium oxide, right? Yabvisa ipo ndo patasara ne magnesium chete. Payatora oxygen ya remove oxygen from magnesium ndokubva ya combine oxygen ya ne carbon ndokubva zvafoma inonzi carbon dioxide. I think you are assisted on reduction, oxidation, and also redox reaction. Right? What is an oxidizing agent? An oxidizing agent is an agent that supplies oxygen. Is an agent that supplies what? Oxygen. What is a reducing agent? A reducing agent is an agent or a substance that take away oxygen. For example, in this case, carbon becomes a reducing agent. And kumsoroko patati chiona oxygen ichiederwa, then oxygen become a what? An oxidizing what? Agent. I think you are assisted. So after watching this video, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, just contact us on this number. Suppose you want online lesson, just contact us on this number. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, please, like, and also